Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the Google Antigravity with your agent in place, which does most of the work for you. So here I have a clone repository from my GitHub on which I'll be working today with the Google Antigravity and its agent. So let me show you what the agent actually does. As here you can see, this is the agent tab, and now let me do some of the prompting for it to optimize this particular code. So let us write any simple prompt like, can you optimize this code? And then from here we can also determine the model that we're going to use. So I'm going with the Gemini 3.1 as well. Apart from that, it also has the option for Claude Opus 4.6 as well. Now you also have the option for planning or fast as well. I'm going to go with the fast for the sake of this particular video. Now it says that it is currently generating and thinking the option, and it is currently analyzing this particular file. So it is also saying generating, so this means it will soon be able to change the contents, and now it is prioritizing the tool usage. So from here you can read what it is actually thinking, and once it has finished thinking, it will directly implement those changes onto this particular file. So after these changes have been finalized, the changes have been successfully reflecting here. If I wish to run the command, I'm going to click onto this run button, and now here this particular command is being run upon and the code base is being changed. So now let us wait a little bit, and it is thinking for more tool usage, and it is checking the command status now. And it is beautiful to see a agent working right at your code without you having to pondering about small changes and error or bug fixes. So this is what anti-gravity is all about. It is about integrating AI with our day-to-day developments that we try to do as a student or as a professional. So that was pretty much about it. If you would like to explore it, do check out our downloads and other videos for Google Anti-Gravity. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.